Welcome back, Knotty here. Well, got the thing pretty much sized where I need to, so I can start the joinery tomorrow, at least the layout of it, and start cutting it up. I'll be glad when I'm done hacking these things around a little bit, but she's getting close now. Everything's to final length. On the end down here, you can see that they're extending over because I've got to cut through 3 through tenons on that. And put breadboards on it and all that kind of stuff. So it's going to be interesting from here because it's going to be all tenons and mortises and through wedges and stuff like that. So should be pretty interesting. One other thing is, of course, I'm going to double up a couple of these pieces of mahogany. They'll sit out here on the ends, or the breadboard ends, to finish it up and everything, but looks like it's gonna work, maybe even. We'll see, I guess, as we move forward, but right now, pretty flat. Won't take too much to finish it up when I get it all put together and get it on there. So, and pretty coplanar, which is kind of what I was going for based on my floor at least, so it's probably all caddy-whacked and all that kind of stuff. But anyhow, I won't keep this one very long, but maybe you're catching it live, maybe you're not. If not, it'll be up on the channel later, and we'll take any feedback you may have. Knotty out.